Hi guys, welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Been dying to show you this for some time. We're really proud to have been involved with the David Boatwright partnership, the American car specialist in Braintree, with the development of the audio systems and the lighting systems on these monster trucks. So promotional vehicles built for Monster. As you can see, it's an absolute weapon. It's jacked up, huge wheels, all done properly, no bodges on here. So as you can see, we've done undercar lighting, so it's actually a green haze under the car here. We've done it all inside the grills. Everything's been done with marine LEDs, so it's been built to last. Then on the back of the vehicle, we've done this huge PA system. So basically what we've done here is we've used kicker marine pods, so these are designed really for a speedboat if you like. We've modified the brackets, we've stripped them down, we've completely soundproofed them, actually using Dynamatic Stream in here to try and improve the sound quality, which has worked, made a big difference. They sound great anyway. Once they're modified, they're even better. We've flipped a couple upside down, as you can see, so they sit the right way around on the roll cage. Then we've built this enclosure in the back, which is built from marine ply. It's then waterproofed and it's then painted in alien paint, which is what you paint a truck bed in. In there we've got two Kicker L712s, got a huge deep cycle battery in the centre there behind the access panel. It's designed to play for hours and hours. We've done mains power hookup, and if you have a look in here I can show you some of the electronics. So we've got the system's driven from two Kicker Class D amplifiers, 1600 watts for the bass, 1200 watts for the highs. We've got a modem in there so that we can keep in touch with the vehicle, monitor the battery charge state, stuff like that. We've got a couple of buck boosts for the split charge system there. And here we've got two mains power units for external hookup, so the system can literally run indefinitely. For a source unit, we've used a JL Audio streamer, which is tucked behind here. It's got a huge range, so the system can be operated from maybe 50 feet away. Underneath here, we've built a console, and this is the head unit for the PA system, or the external audio system. Used an Alpine in there because it's simple, it sounds really good, it'll never ever go wrong. Little display there shows you the condition of the batteries, the current charge voltage. They're sitting on 12.8 at the moment. So just to show you what this sound system's capable of, it's going to come around the back of the truck now. I'm just going to wind it up a little bit. That's pretty incredible. So, quite an incredible sound system, crystal clear, no distortion, and built to run forever. Incidentally, this is the 15th truck we've built, and we've got quite a few more to build. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch, and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for these monster trucks. When you see one, think of us.